Just want to give you a heads up that this Saturday is the Kentucky Derby. You probably won't want to miss it since the Derby is known as the most exciting 2 minutes in sports. And whether you're going to watch it at home or you're planning on having the impromptu Derby bash, I have just a thing to serve that's always a winner. They're called hot brown bites, and they're as much a part of the Derby as a mint julep or those big floppy hats. We start by placing slices of party rye bread on a baking sheet and topping each piece with some thinly sliced turkey breast. Slices of tomato go on top of that, and right before serving, we spoon on a homemade cheese sauce, and under the broiler they go. Once the sauce starts to bubble and the edges get golden, they're ready to finish with, get this, some crumbled bacon. Do these look good or what? Between the layers of the turkey, the creamy cheese sauce, and the smoky bacon, what's not to love? As always, the recipe for hot brown bites, as well as our Derby chocolate pie and our mint juleps, are online now. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a Derby fun way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Say good?
Delicious. Mm-hmm.